Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a spring FabFitFun to share with you, and this arrived a couple of days ago, and I've had a quick sneak peek inside, but I haven't actually properly opened it up and had a look at the products because I wanted to wait until I did this video. If you're new to FabFitFun and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. FabFitFun is based in the US, and around 2 years ago they started shipping to the UK. There are some other countries that they ship to, but unfortunately no countries in Europe yet anyway. Hopefully that will change in the future. As soon as I found out that they were shipping to the UK, I had to get it. I love this subscription. It's seasonal, so it comes out every 3 months and you get to choose the majority of the products that go inside, from anything you can think of, skincare, makeup, anything beauty related basically. Then you've got jewellery, you've got fitness, you've got ornaments, you've got shoes, fashion, anything you can think of. It's a lifestyle box, which is a little bit different to all my other boxes that I subscribe to, so I really like that. Now the cost of the box in the US is $49.99, and that includes shipping. To ship to the UK, there's shipping and VAT on top. There's no customs charges. It's tracked, so you know exactly where it is and when you're going to get it. I've been with them now since the start, well, since they've started shipping to the UK. No problems with delivery or whatsoever. It comes to around £50 to £55 every 3 months, with the shipping and the VAT included as well, so not too bad for what you get in the box. Now the pricing is extortionate. The value then of the products, it's like, whoa, really shocking. But from some of you lovely lot that live in the US, you do say that that's normal. That is quite normal. It's just quite shocking for me being in the UK. So with that in mind, the value of the boxes come to $200–300. So it's crazy amount. But then it's the products, isn't it? It depends on the products, regardless of what it costs or not, whether you're going to use them, whether you like them or not, really, isn't it? So you can opt for a season by season subscription, and you can cancel any season. Or you can do what I do. I'm an annual subscriber. It works out a little bit cheaper, but not much. Not when you have to put the VAT and the shipping on top. But the reason I go for an annual subscription means that I get to choose every single item that goes in the box. Or else a season by season subscriber, I think you get to choose 4 items, and then FabFitFun choose the last 2, or you get to choose 5 and FabFitFun chooses the last category for you, something like that anyway. But you get to choose the majority, but FabFitFun chooses the rest. Or else with me, I choose everything myself. Plus, being an annual subscriber, I get to choose the products a couple of weeks earlier. Now, even though I'm an annual subscriber, as soon as my email came through this time to say that, right, your choices are available to pick, I went on there and there's a few items that are already out of stock. They do regularly come back in stock. I wanted an Hourglass blush. I love Hourglass. Hourglass is amazing. But unfortunately, I couldn't have it. It wasn't available. So then I chose something else. They do sometimes come back in stock, so if you were to go onto your account after you've done your initial choices, you can change within a certain date. In the first few categories, you've got the option to pay for additional items. So say in category 1, you have to choose one of, say, 5 or 6 products, and you think, right, okay, I've chosen one, but I really want this as well. Then you've got the option to pay $10 or $15 to have that item. I've done it this time. I've got one item that I've paid for. So that's really good. So you could end up having lots of things at discounted price. They bring out sales all the time, and it's full of discounted beauty products. So sometimes it's great. So sometimes I have gone on there and I bought a load of products for Christmas presents, which is great. But then sometimes I think, no, okay, I've got to hold back. I've got to hold back. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I do have a refer a friend code if you want. Well, it's a link which will entitle you to receive, it's either $10 or $15 off your first box, but you'll find that down below in my description. Links to the subscription and the website you'll find down there as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this massive box. That's what it looks like. The value of my box is $310. $310. It's bonkers, isn't it? And it gives me the prices of each item as well. Now I can't remember what categories were what or anything like that, so I'm just going to go through them all. I do know one thing. I do remember the add-on, Remember I said that I paid an extra, is it $10 or $15 to receive an add-on? Well, this is it. This is Created by Dentists, Spotlight Oral Care. Got a little bag there. So that'll be quite nice to try. I have gone through a really bad phase over the last couple of months of drinking Diet Pepsi. I don't know what is wrong with me. Craving it. But obviously it has an effect on your teeth then. So I'm noticing my teeth aren't as white as normal or as bright as normal, which is frustrating. So yeah, I've stopped buying it now. I've stopped buying it. This is worth $69. It includes 28 teeth whitening strips, 1 teeth white pen, and 1 comforting gum oil. Female founded, it says. So that's the added item I paid for. First up, I've got some glasses. Some acrylic glasses. These are by Bando, the stemless acrylic wine glass, and there's 4 with glitter infusion. I thought these would be really nice when the weather starts to warm up. They're huge. They are huge. Oh, look. Oh, that is really pretty. Can you see the glitter? Oh, that is so nice. Really, really nice. Have a drink outside, some wine, have a bit of a bonfire going. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. How much were they again for 4 of them? $48. Next up, I got something which is not really what I'd normally go for, but it's something fitness related. This is Studio Effect, Say Yes to Better You, Ultimate Core Toning Kit. We've got a mini ab ball and a core reformer. That's the picture there. Woo, can you see? It's got a ball and a reformer. Myself and my daughter, we want to get more fit. Well, I've got a personal goal. I want to lose some weight because I have put weight on over the last 2 years. And also I need to get fit. Now, before the pandemic, we booked a family holiday to go to Italy. Pandemic hit, I had to change it then. And oh, this is really sticky. And unfortunately, the airline that I'd booked the flights with, they weren't going to this particular area in Italy anymore. So, oh, gutted. Brindisi it was, in Puglia, in Italy. And so then I was umming and ahhing what to do. So then I found some really great flights to go to Santorini in Greece. Now, John, my husband, and I, we went to Santorini a couple of years ago. It's our first holiday together in nearly 20 years. And it was so, so nice. It was my birthday and I just finished a counselling degree. So anyway, we went there. We loved it. Went for a week. Brilliant. So then I thought, do you know what? The kids would love it. And everyone says you shouldn't go to Santorini. You only need 3 or 4 days there maximum. And it's definitely not a place for kids. 2 weeks we're going with 2 teenagers. And I'm going to prove everyone wrong. I'm chatting away now like anything. Basically, it's a ball that I need to blow up. and these resistance bands. So to cut a long story short, we want to do a lot of hiking. So we want to walk from Fira to Ia, which if you've never heard of it, is quite a long walk around the rim, the Caldera rim, but also up on ancient Thera. It's a big mountain and there's tons of steps in Santorini. So I need to get fit. I need to lose a bit of weight and I really need to get fit. Strength training is what I need as well. So yeah, I'm hoping this will work. Sorry, I was just going off on one then. I'm really excited because this is the 4th time I've had to change things for this holiday. This Ultimate Core Toning Kit is £50, or $50 I should say. So hopefully that will help. Next I went for makeup. This is by a brand called Butter London. I've never heard of this before. This is Teddy Girl 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Oh, look. Reminds me of Tarte palettes that, you know, some of them they open in the middle like that, don't they? I'm giving you a quick look first. Oh, that shade is beautiful. Oh, that's nice with a mirror. What's it say? Looking good, darling. Okay, let's try Lottie and Iris and Penelope. Wow, these are really pigmented. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, really nice. How dark is Beatrice? Yeah, that's nice. Nice warm brown. Oh, that is really nice. Okay. This Teddy Girl eyeshadow palette is worth $28. So that's another one of my selections. Then I went for a Lazy Susan. Why is it called Lazy Susan? It just makes you giggle. Yeah, it's a plate that turns, basically, and contains one Lazy Susan by the brand Caravan. But I quite fancied this, and it might be nice to put dips on, you know? You know, when you're on a table and you don't really want to reach over, just spin. So yeah, I am really happy. Or when I'm, I don't know, for doing Instagram photos or something. So if I want to show something off, do a little reel of just twisting it like that. I don't know. I don't need it, but as with most things in FabFitFun, I want them. And I'm sure that will come in handy, more so for like dips and things like that on a table. So this Caravan Home Lazy Susan in wood is worth $60. So there's that. Next up, I've got a Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. It's a 10 and there's 120 mils here. I have actually got a mini version of this and it is lovely. It is really, really nice. It says here, protects the natural keratin in the hair, a thermal protector, detangle, helps strengthen hair, replace lost proteins, helps reduce frizz, natural UV protection, restores shine, enhances hair's natural body, and helps protect hair colour. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? And it is really, really nice. I only spray a tiny bit. Too much and it can make my hair feel a bit lank. I've only got a little one, a little mini, so when I saw that I thought, yeah, I'm going to get that one. And this retails for $22. There's that. And then my last item. It's alright. I can't remember what category this was in. One of the categories was a bit like, oh, really? There's nothing there that I really want, which sometimes you do get. These are by the brand Gemily, and yeah, they're 2 claw hair grips. Now they're massive, aren't they? They are quite big, so I'm not too sure whether they'd be too big for my hair, because my hair's quite fine. I've got a halo hair extension on the bottom, but my natural hair up here is really quite fine, so I'm not sure. My daughter would love these though. She's got really thick long hair, so if they don't work for me, they might for my daughter. See, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is worth $22. $33 for hair clips. Really? I don't know how to convert dollars into pounds accurately, but maximum in the UK you'd pay what, £10 for that? Maximum, probably about £5. I'm just thinking like New Look and things like that, or H&M. But yeah, I would not pay more than £10 for those, which is what, equivalent to about $14, $15? I don't know what the exchange rate is. Overall, I absolutely love this subscription. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I've got some really cool things. The Lazy Susan, the glasses are going to come in handy now, as we'll have more like little fires out in the garden at night when it starts getting lighter. Yeah, really happy. The eyeshadow palette, these shades. I've got a lot of palettes, similar shades, but the pigment in this is beautiful. Yeah, it seems really, really nice. So yeah, no, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the subscription? Do you subscribe to FabFitFun? Have you chosen similar products to me if you have? Or what other items did you go for? I can't remember what was in the categories now. I can't remember, but I'd love to hear. Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? If you're learning about this for the first time, I'd love to hear your opinion on it as well. So please comment down below and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.